Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to do kind of a talky, get ready with me kind of thing. Kind of explaining where I've been and why I haven't been uploading videos. I know I do these like every month because I go weeks without uploading videos, but yeah, it's going to be a while before I have any makeup videos up. I wasn't uploading for a little bit. I'm going to start actually getting ready because I have to leave soon. But I started trying to film some Halloween videos, and I'm gonna edit this as little as possible, so I'm sorry, but I started trying to do some Halloween videos. I got 2 of them done, and then my grandma ended up in the hospital last week, so everything else just kind of got put on hold for now, because obviously that's a lot more important. And now we're 9 days out from the trip to Okinawa, and next weekend is just full, and those are the only days I have off before I leave. So I don't think I'm gonna get very many Halloween videos up, if any, if I can edit the 2 that I have to any sort of uploadable state. So just using a tinted moisturizer, I don't even care today. But yeah, so those will probably be up at some point, but for the most part, from now until at least the middle of October, it will all be mostly like vlogs, because as I said, we're 9 days out from the Okinawa trip. I've already started packing some stuff. I do have a video that I want to film about what I do on long flights, and that should be up sometime this week. It's just a quick little thing, and then I'm going to film what I'm taking for makeup with me when we go. But yeah, luckily my grandma is okay for now. They're letting her at least go home. But, I mean, it's not going to get better necessarily. That's a situation. I was going to do a wing liner, but I don't want to. I feel like I need concealer more than anything. My face is all red. I mean, but yeah, so like I've been feeling little to no motivation on top of starting a new job. I mean, I'm still at Amazon, but I got promoted and things aren't going as well as I'd hoped they would for a lot of reasons. I'm mostly just frustrated. I just have to get through a week of this and then I can leave for like a month, which is nice. That's all I want. Probably gonna have to go get some coffee after this because I'm exhausted. And I have a coupon for Dunkin' Donuts. Yeah, that's kind of all I had to say. I'm not really doing too much in the way of getting ready, but just throwing a touch of makeup on because I'm going to go see my grandma in the hospital today with my dad and my brother and younger sister, and then probably do nothing until I have to go to work tomorrow. Just want to look like a human, I guess. Last time we went to visit my grandma, I didn't wear any makeup and I just looked a wreck. Not that I wasn't. Yeah, I really just wanted to update you guys on what's been going on and why there won't be very many Halloween videos, if any, this year from me. Normally I try to do at least a handful, but I just don't think it's going to happen this year. So if you want to stay tuned and watch my vlogs from Okinawa, those should be interesting. There'll be a couple of very cute children in them. Yeah, so my Okinawa vlogs are coming up. They're starting in about a week, so if you guys want to stay tuned and watch that as opposed to Halloween videos, I'd really appreciate it. Go ahead and subscribe down below if you're interested, and all of my social media is linked down below if you'd like to see any of those. Yeah, Thank you for sticking with me if you have through all this, through the not uploading for like a month, and I'm sorry, and I'm sure it'll happen again, and I apologize for that too. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it will be up on Tuesday or Friday, depending on when I end up filming it. Can't make any promises, but it will be up this week, so I will see you guys then.